There's fun in learning around the bend. You could even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and Coco's Science Show.
Oh, hey! Welcome to my bathroom, or as I called it in the 1920s, the powder room, a term I will be bringing back. Today, I wanted to do a tour of my bathroom to show you guys the waste-free things that I do have and how imperfect I actually am. I do have some waste items. Colette may or may not be joining us. Let's see. Colette, how you doing up there? Yeah, she's a little not into the bathroom because she thinks I'm gonna give her a bath, which is false. I'm just gonna let her be smelly. So here at the sink, you might find a few items such as a mechanical toothbrush. Oh, now you're excited. She gets excited whenever I brush my teeth. She's such a crazy dog. So I do not have a bamboo toothbrush. If my dentist didn't make me get one of these electric toothbrushes because I accidentally brushed my gums like almost completely off. If my dentist didn't make me get an electric toothbrush, I'd probably have one of those bamboo toothbrushes, so I'll leave a link in the description down below about where to get those. The cool thing though is that I'm in TerraCycle's Oral-B group. Now TerraCycle is a pretty awesome organization where if there's something you do in fact get that is hard to recycle, they will collect it, so you mail them a whole box of all your toothbrush heads and they find a way to recycle it. So they're pretty awesome. I'm gonna leave a link to TerraCycle down below. I do have some hand soap that was given to me for Christmas, but also my homemade soap. I do wear a retainer and I do currently use regular toothpaste. I know there are little toothbrush tablets that you can chew and it helps you brush your teeth but waste-free, or there's like tooth powders. However, none of those that I've seen have fluoride in it. I'm very particular about my teeth, so you know I need to have fluoride. Well, now you know, if you didn't know. But this is another thing I can send in that TerraCycle box. Also, if you guys aren't brushing your dog's teeth, please do so. This is dog toothbrush business. Here she is. Don't be sad. We're just here to have fun, okay? Nothing is gonna happen in here. Let's move on. Hi, how are you? Here's a medicine cabinet. You'll notice it has medicine. I'm not in the group of people who don't use real medicine. I stand by science. If I can find an alternative to start, yeah, sure, I'll drink tea with honey, local honey in it, to hopefully heal my cold issues, because usually it's something small like that. But if it's something big, I'm gonna move on to real medicine. So please don't try and like cure your intense illnesses with essential oils and vitamins. So I do have real medicine. A lot of these items, like face creams and things, I actually got when I moved my grandparents out of their house. My grandma used to buy things in bulk, so I have like 9 of these face creams and 5 face washes to get through. I also received lotions when my friends moved out of houses, so I have become the person who just like accepts things from others. This is a deodorant I use now. I know it's in plastic, but once this one's out, I actually have, I found a brand called Humankind, I think, that I'll put in the description. Actually, I found a few waste-free deodorant places, so I have options and I'm going through them, trying to pick my favorite, but I still have a little deodorant left to use. And you guys know I always talk about my lucky teeth. They degrade in about 2 months, the floss does, instead of like 100+ years, so it's always good. I just got a new batch sent in, and I have a thermometer. Never can be too careful. In this corner, we have some art I received from Goodwill, and some pink tubs with Colette's food and her things and my things like towels and toilet paper. I don't have a washer dryer, so I got this little unit. It works okay. I dry my clothes, I just hang them up. I have a dehumidifier to keep mold away. I got that from Let Go. So if you're looking for weird appliances, check in your local area for used ones first, because you might find something exciting. And over in this corner we have Colette giving me her ball, which I will kick. Oh, best goalie I've ever seen in my life. Moving on, this is where the magic happens. It's just a toilet. There's nothing crazy about it. There's no bidet, unfortunately. I would love to have a non-toilet paper option. I do keep toilet paper in this awesome basket that I also got from Goodwill. Always look at Goodwill for baskets. There's like 3,000, I swear. But yeah, I like to keep my toilet paper stocked because when you gotta go, you gotta go.
When you gotta go, you gotta go.
I also keep aloe vera because I'm pasty and I get sunburned. Here's my safety razor. Ooh, ah. And of course candles. There's 2 candles in here. I also have a shower. There's a face wash. It's not an important face wash. It's one from my grandparents' house. Again, I have like a whole bag of those to get through. I also got this as a Christmas present, something I probably wouldn't have chosen because of the plastic, but it smells pretty good, I will say. So if I could get some almond oil soap bar in the future, that'd be great. But I'm using this just a little bit sparingly. If you do get plastic items, use sparingly because you will have to buy fewer in the future. That's my if you have a plastic item tip. Also in my shower, you can see like a little bar of soap over there. That was the one I was using before I moved on to my Lush soap, which we talked about in the last video. Not a big fan of Lush, but here we are. Got my soap dish with my shampoo, conditioner, face wash bar, and body lotion bar. I don't know, they have weird names there. And we have got one section left. See, the good thing about starting with the bathroom for a waste-free tour is it's a small room and there are a lot of items you can replace or do better or use sparingly. This is my milk crate of stuff. This milk crate is something that I salvaged in my search for a better alternative for my scalp issues. I did get this shampoo. I occasionally use it sparingly just because I need to use it at some point. It's called Alafia. I don't know, it's ultra hydrating apparently. I need to make more of this, but this is usually the container I use. It's an old Trader Joe's container, bloop bloop, hi! But usually what I put in this is dilute apple cider vinegar to use as a hair rinse to make my hair silky, literally the silkiest it's ever been. No conditioner can compare, so you just have to use it sparingly. I wash my hair like once a week. Even if I used liquid shampoo, and even though my hair is long and thick, I'm not using as much as if I were to be washing my hair every day. And it's better for your hair. There she is. You're too close. There you are. Anyway, back to my bathroom. Long story short, my teeny tiny washer, you can't use homemade detergents because it can completely clog and block the machine because it's so small and not the best. So you do have to use like high efficiency detergent kind of stuff. I got the best one I could find at my store. I know though that if you do have to go to like liquid detergents, well, first off, I saw these like detergent strips that looked amazing. So if I ever get a regular washing machine again, that's what I'd want to move on to. But if I have to use liquid detergent, there are containers that are made of cardboard or like a dry detergent, like OxyClean is the first thing that comes to mind. So getting things that aren't in plastic would be great. But now I'm just using things sparingly. I also got bleach at one point when I was brewing beer because we needed to clean stuff and that was all we could get on hand at short notice. Oh, don't get nervous. This is Colette's doggy shampoo. And here's the apple cider vinegar I use for my apple cider vinegar rinse. And this, you may be like, she uses Swiffers. No, I use a Swiffer, and I've showed you this in another video. Don't mind the dirt on top. I'm a clean person. It's my homemade Swiffer mix with washcloths. I make my own Swiffer mix and put washcloths in it, and it's super nice to be able to reuse that to clean my floors without worrying about waste. It's nice. And the Swiffer box is actually very durable and a perfect size, so it's okay to reuse that. Okay guys, that is it for the bathroom tour. I know, this is a video you all wanted to see, that you all had as top priority on your list. Hey, maybe this video helped you out. You either got some good ideas, or you know I'm not perfect, or you can see someone who's trying their hardest and you appreciate that and you also want to try your hardest. I don't know. Bathrooms, a great place to start for being more waste-free. You can kind of try and discover new ways to be waste-free in the bathroom. So it's a good place to start. So for the action of the day, because the powder room, is the place where a lot of people freshen up, and there's a lot of items that are associated with like beautification. Whether you are out in the world or on social media, I want you to give someone a compliment. It's National Compliment Day, by the way. Go out and give someone a compliment today. So like Colette, you are the smartest dog with the prettiest deep brown eyes. Okay? Is that okay? Yeah, you're so cute. So guys, go out and give someone a compliment or give a compliment on social media, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you learned something new or you like these super brave puppies for coming into the bathroom. Hit that subscribe button to follow for more adventures, and don't forget to follow us on social media. We are on all platforms. All links are in the description down below, so follow us. Show us how you are doing your reduce resolutions or your reduce reset. So follow us over there for more fun tips or articles or a look into our lives, and we will see you next time. Bye.